COVID cases continue to rise in Mesa County at the same time a treatment center closes its doors. KREX5's Chance Stickland met with a local health expert who tells us where the county may be heading. He joins us live in the studio with more details. Chance?
Rob, health officials say the Omicron variant continues to make up a majority of the new infections in Mesa County. Some bad news. One of the many monoclonal antibody treatment facilities is closing its doors, leaving one less option available for those who aren't vaccinated. Unvaccinated Americans are feeling the latest wave of the pandemic the most. Hospitalizations, severe illness, and deaths are on the rise, including right here on the Western Slope.
When we look at our currently hospitalized Mesa County residents, about 93% of those individuals are unvaccinated. And that number really speaks to the efficacy of the vaccines we do have on hand in reducing severe illness due to COVID-19, which is the main goal.
While the goal is to defeat this pandemic, new variants such as Omicron have emerged, causing a much bigger problem.
The end of December and now the beginning of January, we are seeing our cases start to spike again.
Some of the options to fight COVID-19 include the most important, vaccination, or an alternative method, the monoclonal antibody treatment. Roughly 500 people in Mesa County have used the new treatment, but will no longer be able to in Fruita. Organizers say they were recently informed that REGEN-COV, the medicine used in the monoclonal antibody treatment, is less effective against the Omicron variant. But county officials say the Fruita clinic is also closing for another reason.
The reason for the closure of the monoclonal antibody treatment clinic that we had out in Fruita is kind of a two-pronged reason. So first off, the clinic was being supplied in part by a federal contract, so a contract between CDPHE and the federal government, and that contract was set to last 1 month.
Well, that 1 month has expired and the doors are closed. Meanwhile, Mesa County Public Health is reporting COVID outbreaks in 19 District 51 schools. This as 3 new board members want to potentially end all mask mandates by February, an action that could cause COVID cases to rise. Stephanie Bush at Mesa County Public Health wants to remind you of some, quote, golden rules: social distancing and mask wearing when it is appropriate. Reporting live in the studio and first on the Western Slope, I'm Chance Stickland, KREX 5 News. Rob?